Hello student, how are you? Hope you are all keeping good at home and you are taking your preparation very hard. And you all welcome to Business Organizations and Management second part class. You know that we are continuing our revision class on the chapter number 8. The headlines of the chapter is communication. So we have completed our regular topics to revise. So today we want to form some MCQ questions and we'll try to find out the best alternative among four alternatives. So how we can find the best alternative from the others alternative. So please see the lecture video. I hope it will help you to find out the best alternative from the four alternatives. Okay, let's start making MCQ question. First question, you can see on your scale how many types of vertical communication. How many types of vertical communication? There are options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many types vertical communication? Yes, you got right. It will true. What are they? These are upward communication and downward communication. Both are the vertical communication. So our answer will be 2. Now coming to the another question. What is the official communication? You know that what is official communication? Do you know? Based on formalities, how many types of? 2 types of formal and informal. So informal is another name is official communication. Okay. So which one is the official communication? Alternative A, communication outside of institution rules and regulation. Written means of communication. Communication created by institution rules and regulation. Information exchange, communication between officers and employees. What is? I think C will be the perfect because communication created by institution rules and regulation. So in the definition of official language official communication also said that according to the rules and regulations of the organization, the communication will be happened or will be occurred. So in the C also said that the communication created by the institution rules and regulation. So our answer will be C. Okay, coming to the next question, MCQ question. Reasons for using email for business communication. So why? Extremely fast data exchange. Yes, email help us to exchange data faster. Opportunity to use as evidence. Yes, you can also show to the others as evidence. Yes, I have sent this mail to you. It can be saved on your mail. And other one, reduce cost. Yes, it's also reduce cost if you have the internet connections and the mobile phone or any electronic device. You can send easily email to the others. So that is why we can say that the answer which one the following is correct. Number D, because E 1, 2, 3 all are correct. Okay, coming to the next question. The supervisor told the manager to send the product for sale. What kind of communication system can be noticed in the stimulus? Supervisor told the manager to send product for sale. Upward, downward, parallel, informal. Upward, supervisor say told to manager. So we can say it is upward because lower position try to contact with the higher position. So it will be upward. Now coming to the another's. As a result of that communication system, above communication system, what is? The manager will take alternative measures. The quality of the work will increase. Work satisfaction will increase. If I think all the three, there is manager will take alternatives. Yes, when supervisor called the manager to sell a product, if there is no product, so he can tell that yes, we have no product, you can give another day. So he has the option to take any alternative step. So that is why it is one is correct. The quality of work will increase. Yes, quality of work will increase when the customer will come, and if the customer get a accurate information, then it will be good for the customer, and it will be the quality of work that will be provided to. And job satisfaction will increase? No, it's not possible. Job satisfaction, how it works? Job satisfaction will increase. So we can say the answer will be 1 and 2. Next, coming to another question, number 6. Actually this number is not maintaining the serial, so don't be worry about. Just see the question and try to solve this, try to find the best alternative. An announcement has been made there will be no electricity in Dhanmondi area of Dhaka city today. What kind of communication is this? What are the alternatives? Written? No, it is not written because he is giving an announcement through mic or any other thing. Verbal? Yes, it is verbal. Symbolic? No, there is no symbol given by them. Mass. But if you look at here, written and symbolic, that is not, because totally at the first time we can cancel this 2 option. But another 2, verbal, yes, when they pronouncing through any types of microphone or any things, it is verbal. But it also can be mass communication. So which one will be the best alternative? So verbal and mass 50-50. Which one will take? Because verbal communication always, I will say verbally, some of them who are in front of me, he can be able or she can be able to reply me. So that will be verbal. Do you understand? But in the mass communication, one-way communication done, the who this speaker will try to speak, no, just all of them will hear. In a political meeting, the leader are telling the worker, but worker are hearing with the concentration. This is the mass communication. But verbal communications, one-to-one communication. I am saying some of them are replying or giving the feedback. So that is. So with that argument, we can cancel also verbal communication. So what will here correct answer? Mass communication. So this will be mass communication. Coming to the next question, read the stimulus below and answer question 1 and 2. What is the stimulus? We can see Mr. Saurabh arranged face-to-face conversation with the field level staff to speed up work of the staff. The staff highlighted their problem and needs considering these circumstances, Mr. Saurabh has taken various steps to solve their problem. Now coming to the question, what is Mr. Saurabh's medium of communication? What type of communication does Saurabh maintain with the conversations of the field level workers or field level staffs? Written communication, verbal communication, informal communication, mass communication. Written communication, no. There is a face-to-face conversation. There is no written communication. So written we can cross because written cancelled. Verbal communication, yes. Face-to-face conversation is the verbal conversation I have said earlier. So verbal it can be the answer, but we can see also another two. Informal communication, no, it is not informal. It is the official activity, so we can say that it is informal. And mass communication, there is not mass communication. There is one-to-one conversation, face-to-face conversation, and same argument with the same argument the previous in the earlier questions I had made. So here, if I impose, here is one-to-one face-to communication, so that is why it will not be mass. It will be verbal communication. So the answer will be verbal communication. Now coming to the next question. What will happen as a result of the step taken by the Saurabh? What will happen in the organization? Staff satisfaction, dispute settlement. Dispute settlement means all the misunderstanding what will be, that will be settled. Creating a direct relationship. Yes, staff will be satisfied because Mr. Saurabh have patiently heard all the problems of them. They will be satisfied. Dispute settlement, yes, all the misunderstandings what they were, it will be settled. And creating a direct, yes, all of them, the staff and the between the Saurabh, it will make a direct communication, because face-to-face conversation, when it will happen, that times the face-to-face direct communication relationships will make. So we can say that our answer will be, which are this D. Okay, so now coming to the other question. Read the stimulus. You can see Mr. Hawk is a big businessman. His business has expanded to several countries around the world. Occasionally, he had held a meeting with branch manager, including abroad, using communication technology. He is getting various benefit in this. So what is our question? Mr. Hawk, which of the following process by which Hawk conducts the meeting? Which of the way, which of the method, which telex, which medium is used here? Telex, email, teleconferencing, multimedia. We know that through the internet or through any type of communication, visualization, or sitting at home, sitting others country, if you conduct any types of meeting, so that will be teleconferencing. So the answer will be teleconferencing. Mistakenly, that's green tick is somehow up, but the answer will be C. Now heading to the next question. Mr. Saurabh Mr. Hawk's advantage of this method used. It saves time, yeah, right. This saves time. This reduce cost, yes, also reduce cost. More benefit are available, yes. All the three is correct. So we can say this is correct. So heading to the next question. Which type of communication does an importer place an order for the product? Which communication done here? Oral, informal, written, vertical. Oral, no. By the oral communication, no exporter will send his product. Informal, yes, it can be informal, but informal doesn't ensure that the order already given. Yes, it will be written. Written order have to give to the exporter, and then the importer can get the product. So it will be written. Which of the following one of the means of oral communication? Computer, fax, mobile, internet. You can easily know that the mobile most usable verbal communication medium. Now coming to the what is meant by staff recruitment, appointment, confirmed candidacy, assemble to be selected. Yes, it will be assembled. What is the source of communication process? Medium, news, sort by a portal, the sender. Yes, with the sender the communication process is started, so we can say that source of communication process is sender. Now coming to the next question, online information in which of the following categories of the communication? Oral, vertical, parallel, written. It must be written, because when you search a website, that times so many informations are written there, so it will be written communication. So this is the way you have to get the basic concept of the whole chapter, that you will be able to cancel the alternatives, because A, B, C, D, 4 alternatives. You have to kill some of the alternatives, other 3 alternatives, and you have to consider all these things, but with the argument, with your basic knowledge about the topic, you have to kill all 3 possible answer, and then you have to find out the best answer. So this is the actually way of doing good in the MCQ part of your exam. So I hope you are trying to get the basic terms, the definition of chapter 8 communication. So I hope you will be able to choose the best alternatives from the 4. So today up to this is completed. Tomorrow I will also come with another some MCQ questions to solve out, and I'm taking the 2 class of MCQ solve and answer, because the MCQ question setting and answer is getting the priority, because you are trying to get the 100% mark in the MCQ, and that is why my effort to you all to get 20 out of 20, 30 out of 30. So for today, all of them wishing you stay home and wear masks to prevent you from the coronavirus. See you tomorrow.